marvel at the sight of towering skyscrapers, graceful bridges, and cozy homes. These marvels are the work of a team of construction engineers. The construction manager oversees the whole process, ensuring the project stays on track. The civil engineer is the brains behind the project, crafting the design. Structural turn these designs into reality, creating the building's core components. The geotechnical engineer evaluates the site's soil and rock conditions. The mechanical engineer designs and supervises the installation of HVAC systems and plumbing. The electrical engineer handles the design of the electrical systems. A construction project may also require other specialists based on its unique requirements. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into specific engineering disciplines in future posts.